Welcome to Q&A Wire.
First of all, converting the angular speed omega cb into radian per second, so it will become 1 revolution per 2 second multiplied by 2 pi radian divided by revolution. Okay, so from here we get 1 radian per second. Okay, this is the omega cb. Now we can proceed to obtain velocity at point B. So we can write vv vector, this will be equals to vc vector plus omega cb vector cross rcb vector. Okay, so substituting values, vc vector is equals to 0 plus omega cb will be equals to minus pi k cap cross 50 j cap mm. Okay, so from here we get 50 pi I cap mm per second. Okay, this is vv vector. We can also obtain velocity vector va with respect to point B. So we can write va vector equals to vb vector plus omega ba vector cross rba vector. So now substituting values, vv vector is obtained as 50 pi I cap plus omega ba will be equals to omega ba k cap cross RBA is minus 300 I cap plus 50 J cap. Okay, so from here we get 50 pi minus omega BA I cap minus 300 omega BA J cap. Okay, this is VA vector. Okay, say this is our equation number 1. Now similarly, we can obtain the velocity vector Va with respect to point O in terms of angular speed omega OD. Sorry. So Va vector will be equals to VO vector plus omega OD vector cross ROD vector. Okay, ROD vector. So now substituting values, VO vector is equals to 0 plus omega OD is minus omega OD k cap cross ROD is minus 100 I cap plus 200 J cap. Okay, so from here VA vector comes out to be 200 omega OD I cap plus 100 omega OD J cap. This is our equation number 2. Now we can equate the component of J cap in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2 to get minus 300 omega BA, this will be equals to 100 omega OD. Okay, so from here we get omega BA, that is equals to minus of omega OD by 3. This is our equation number say 3. Now we can equate the component of I cap in both the equation 1 and 2 to get 50 pi minus omega BA, this will be equals to 200 omega OD. Okay, so now substituting value of omega BA, from here we will get 50 pi plus omega OD by 3, this is equals to 200 omega OD. Okay, so from here after solving we will get omega OD equals to 0.8568 radian per second. Okay, this is the value of omega OD. Now we can determine the value of velocity vector at point D. So VD vector will be equals to VO vector plus omega OD vector cross ROD vector. So now substituting the values, VO vector is equals to 0 plus omega OD is minus omega OD k cap cross ROD is 600 J cap. Okay, so from here we get 600 omega OD I cap. Okay, so now substituting value of omega OD, this value, so VD vector will be equals to 514.08 I cap mm per second. Okay, so this is our equation number say 4. Now in order to show that VD and VE are equal, so we can write VD vector in terms of E. So Vd vector will be equals to Ve vector plus omega ed vector cross Red vector. Okay, so from here we can write Ve I cap plus omega ed k cap cross Red x I cap plus Red y j cap. So we will get Ve I cap plus omega ed Red x j cap minus omega ed Red y I cap. Okay, this is Vd vector. Say this is our equation number 5. So now that only way two possible in which expression 4 and 5, expression this 4 and this expression 5 can be equal when omega ed this value is equals to 0. So omega ed equals to 0, so we will get Vd equals to Ve, okay, and Vd is equals to this value, so Ve will be equals to this value, that is 514.08 I cap mm per second. Okay, so the magnitude of speed velocity, that is speed at point E, that will be equals to 0.514 meter per second. Okay, in the meters we can write this value. Okay, so this is the answer of the question. Okay.